In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Section on Substack. Using the Sections feature on Substack gives creators more power and organization over their content. It allows you to divide your newsletter into different themed areas or content types such as news updates, podcasts, tutorials, or personal reflections, making it easier for your subscribers to engage with the content they care about most. To start using Sections, head to your Substack dashboard and navigate to your publication settings. Under the Sections tab, you'll find an option to create a new section. Each section acts like a mini publication within your main Substack. You can name it, write a description, and choose whether it's visible to all subscribers or only a specific audience, like paid or free subscribers. For example, you might create one section called Deep Dives for long-form content, another called Quick Thoughts for short posts, and a third called Audio Updates for podcast episodes. When setting up a section, Substack lets you assign a custom URL path, which means your posts under that section will be accessible at something like yoursubstack.com/quick-thoughts. You can also personalize email settings for each section, so readers who are only interested in a particular topic can subscribe to that section's updates without receiving emails from others. This makes the experience more tailored for your audience and reduces unsubscribes from overwhelming your readers. Once your sections are live, you'll see the option to choose a section whenever you create a new post. Simply select the relevant section from a drop-down menu when composing. Posts will be grouped under that label on your site and in archives, making it easier for readers to explore specific topics. Substack also allows custom design tweaks for each section, such as choosing different banner images or introducing custom introductions. While the overall branding of your publication stays consistent, this gives each section a distinct flavor. Whether you're building a community, a niche resource, or a full-fledged digital magazine, using sections is the key to clarity and professionalism on your Substack. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.